Come see Eric down at Miracle Motors for a new vehicle.
Hi, come see Eric at Miracle Motors here in Wilkes-Barre. I have a repo on my record, and he helped me out a lot. And he even came and picked me up at my own house. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Come see Eric in Wilkes-Barre at Miracle Motors. He'll get you approved no matter what.
Woo!
Hi, this is Eric at Miracle Motors in Wilkes-Barre. I had a great experience here. This is my second vehicle with them, and they were able to get my payment down to exactly where I needed and take in my trade.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Just popped up to Miracle Motors in Wilkes-Barre, PA. Had to see my girl Jennifer, and she looked out for me to do that. Come see her.
Come see Eric at Miracle Motors in Wilkes-Barre. He'll get you approved right away.
I went to Miracle Motors in Wilkes-Barre. My salesperson was Jennifer, and she was amazing. Yeah.
Big thanks to Eric at Miracle Motors. He helped me out big time. I didn't have a good down payment. He got me a nice, reliable ride. He came all the way to Scranton to my house and got me. This guy's the best, man. He's the best. Thank you, Eric.